Welcome to my Megaminx tutorial. This video is designed for those who already know how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube, because the Megaminx is actually quite similar to it by using the edge pieces like this and connecting them to the white center. So first of all, we need to find all the edge pieces with white inside it. This is blue and white. I'll connect it to the blue center like this and make sure this goes to the white side. This is purple and white. I'll bring it to the purple face. Bring it down to the white side. And you do the same for the other star pieces, like this yellow-white star piece. So as you can see, those white star pieces that are floating around, I just need to bring them from one face to another, from one face to another, like this. And just scroll around until they match like this. So this is green-white, and I just matched the star piece to the green center. I just need to bring it down. And this is red-white. I cannot pair it up like this because it's not going to form a star. As you can see, this is not a star shape. So I bring it up to the top few faces and continue scrolling around until it matches. Bring it down. So let's look for the pieces bound within this area. We need a yellow-blue star piece and a yellow-blue-white corner piece. So the corner is here, the star piece is here. I'll bring the star piece in first. So the star piece has to be matched with at least one of the center colors. So as you can see, I matched it with the yellow center here. I'll bring the corner piece over. And I'll make sure that this corner piece is facing upwards on this face, because this is going to be like the top face of a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Make it facing the top. So this edge piece should go in here like that. Now I'm going to do one turn the other way. Match this corner to the edge piece that I just moved aside. Restore the star piece that was lifted up. Bring this away. Now this is the slot that it should go into. I'm going to lift it up, put this pair in, and bring the slot back down. I'll use blue-red as the example. Since I found a star piece, it matches. And then I'm going to make this corner face the top, like this. I'll bring it to the other side. Okay, now it's facing the top. Let's talk about this star piece. It should go in like that. So it's in the right position now. Form a pair like this. Move it aside. This is the slot. Lift it up. Bring it in. Bring it down. I'll show you two examples. We begin with this necktie region between pink, blue, and red. I see a pink-red piece. I'm just going to isolate this corner to make things easier later. Pink-red, as you can see, it goes into the right. So I'm going to place it at the left because this corner will be difficult to insert things into. I'm going to place it at the left just as a good practice. Since this is red, I should have red facing this side as well. So red should go to the bottom later. I'm going to make it stick out at the top on this gray face. Right? And then this is where the pink-blue star piece should go. So I'm just going to turn it the other way and match the corner. So now we have a perfect bar of two like this. Insert this pair to complete the necktie. And now push the necktie into its correct place. I'll show you another necktie which is at the tan center. This time I'm going to show you what happens on the right hand side, so I'm going to use the 10 red star piece, which in its solved state should go on the left, as you can see here, but I'm going to bring it to the right. So right now, I know that the corner will have red facing the bottom. It's here. I'm going to make sure it faces the top of the gray face. Where is the star piece that I need? Where is the 10 green star piece? It's here. I'll bring it up. Since the 10 red star piece is here, the 10 green star piece should be here. So I'll bring this the other way, match the corner. So I'm going to bring the slot here upwards, but this has to go away first. Bring the slot up, put this into the slot, and bring it down to complete the necktie. Once all the neckties are done, we can do the first 2-layer method. So I'm going to fill in this slot, since I spotted the pieces that I need here. So I'm doing this intuitively using F2L methods. And you just need to proceed like this until you solve all these slots. So I'm going to do OLL first for the gray star. If you see only one piece, put it at your right, facing a more or less 4 o'clock direction, and doing F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime, which puts 3 pieces like this together. Now you need to make sure that they're facing the back 2 sides, and also pointing to the left. Your front and right must be clear like this. See, the gray is not facing up. Now do F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime. Likewise, if you see a compass point like this, make sure that the sharp tip of this so-called compass is pointing in the 4 o'clock direction, and then do F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. So this completes the gray star. When I scroll along the cube, I notice that only one piece is in its correct position, so I keep that at my front, and do R, U, R prime, U, R, U prime 2, R prime. 2 adjacent star pieces, correct, so I'm going to put them at my left and front. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. In this case, I've corrected all the star pieces. Sometimes you're not that lucky. Sometimes you will see that 2 opposite pieces are correct. So place them at your left and right. Do the same algorithm. Check again. Okay, this time I'm lucky. I have these 2 correct. So I'm going to place them at my left and front and do the algorithm. If this is not already correct, just do it one more time. And it should be correct. So I'm going to use this face as the top face, this red, and gray as the bottom. R, U, R prime, U prime, repeatedly until the corner is solved. If the corner is facing you like this, then reverse. U, R, U prime, R prime, repeatedly until it is solved. So what is this? Reverse algorithm or forward algorithm? It should be reverse algorithm since it's directly facing you. How about this one? Since it's facing the right, forward algorithm. So now we have done the gray face OLL. So it looks as if the gray face is solved, but all these pieces are not in the correct spots. So I'll do the PLL now, using a series of R, U, R prime, and R, U prime, R prime moves to lift up and put down pieces. I lift this up, R, U, R prime. This is orange-green. I need to find orange-green, which is here. Bring the slot to this interface And now, since my last move was RU R prime, I need to reverse that, RU prime R prime. Then this is blue and tan. The slot here must be blue and tan. RU R prime. I brought in the tan pink slot because this is tan and pink. RU prime R prime. Pink green. Slot is pink green. RU R prime. And I need the blue orange slot here now. RU prime R prime. Now you have done PLL for the gray layer, and you can just move it to solve the whole Megaminx.